Facebook custom audience is very much important for any kind of e-commerce or service oriented online business. So in this video I will show you how to create a Facebook custom audience and how to use on your ads. Hello everyone, I am Rakiubl Islam. I work as a freelancer. So first of all, that is my Facebook demo page. So I just go to my ad section. So just go to the ad manager. Okay, so that is my ad manager, and I just go to the audience section. So look at that, that is our audience section. Facebook provide three types of audience. So the custom audience, lookalike audience, and save audience. I already published a video on Facebook save audience. So just go to the custom audience website and look at that. Your source, many kind of source here and many kind of meta source here. The website related, the app installation related, the catalog related, and the meta source is the Instagram, the event Facebook page, on page Instagram, so and videos, lead forms, the shopping ads. So basically in this video I will show you the Instagram accounts and the Facebook page, and video is also important thing. So I just go to the Facebook page and just click the next option, and look at that. Our source is the digital growth solution page, so that is our page. And the first of all, look at that, there is two type of create the custom audience. So one is the or method and the second is the and method. So there are two method here. Look at that, that is the and method, and we just select the any, that is the or method. So I just select the first is who created the like and followers on this page, that is the potential client customer for me. So I just select it. And the another is the who engaged with your page. So I just select that. And I suggest that when your business is the e-commerce related, so you just select the last 30 to 15 days. And when your business is lead from related and service oriented related, so you must just choose the 6 month, last 6 month, 1 year, or 3 months. And we just click the another, and I just select the anyone who visit on your page, that is I just select that. And the another is the who engaged with post and ads. So for any kind of person who engaged for last 13 days, engaged my post and see my ads, and just click that. And I just change the date wise, the 13 days. Okay, and I just select the 30 days, and I just select the another. And that is our more potential, the who clicks of any call to action button in my page. So just select the call to action button. The another is I just select the last one, that who send message of any kind of message on your page, that is our more potential customers. So I just select the around all kind of events, and I just change the date, just select last 30, and I just write the name. I just write our audience name. So just write the audience name, the Facebook, so digital growth solution, last 30 days, and I just create it. Okay, our first one is already created that. And the below 100, the below 1000, look at that, there is a number here, the engaged, our audience size, the below thousands. So that I don't run any kind of ads in this page, so that is the below audience for me. And when you already run any kind of ads on Facebook, you engage the 1000 audience is very easily. So I just create the next one, the Instagram accounts. So just click there. And first of all, look at that, our or method or and method. So I just click the or method here. And first of all, look at that, our Facebook page. So in this page I have no Instagram account here, so I just use the another page, the inside agency. And I just click the everyone who engaged with this professional page accounts last 13 days. So I just select that. And the next one is the anyone who visit the professional account, that is our customer, and I just change the name here, so as the date here, and the another is the who engaged of any kind of post, so that is the already same here, the Facebook page or Instagram accounts. And then last one is the who save or your page and we see your ads, so I just select them. So that is very simple process, and I just write down the name, the digital growth solution, the Instagram, and just create it. Okay, done. So I just create the two custom audience. The one is the Facebook page, the last 13 days, and the second one is the Instagram page. And we just create a new campaign here, just create it. And when you use that, okay, so just create the sales campaign and just continue the create the manually, and we just go to the ad set level. Just go to the ad set level. Okay, look at that is our create new audience. Here the location base already setted that, and I just select the custom audience. Look at that, there are two audience here, the digital growth solution, the Facebook created the last 13 days. I just select it, and our already select that, and I just basically you just send the simple things here, the all gender, the location, the age group. I don't send that. So in the in this platform you just save it, and your all audience is connected. And when you use the Instagram says, so that's select the Instagram, so that is very common things. And you when use the multiple audience also, so that is the process how to create the Facebook custom audience with the Facebook page and Instagram profile. And also I just save that and how to use the custom audience here. So I hope you can understand the better how to and how to create that and how to use that. So is there any question, you just contact me, link in the description. Thank you.